Setting up a CreditSaint membership plan is a straightforward process that can help you monitor and improve your credit score. To begin, navigate to the CreditSaint website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once you have entered your information, you will be prompted to choose a membership plan. CreditSaint offers several plans, including a basic plan that provides access to your credit report and score, as well as more advanced plans that offer additional features such as credit monitoring and identity theft protection. After selecting your plan, you will be asked to provide payment information. CreditSaint accepts several payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Your payment information will be securely stored and used to bill you on a monthly or annual basis, depending on the plan you choose. Once your membership is set up, you will have access to a range of tools and resources to help you manage your credit. These include a credit report and score, as well as personalized recommendations for improving your credit. You will also have access to a credit monitoring service, which will alert you to any changes in your credit report. To get the most out of your CreditSaint membership, it is a good idea to regularly review your credit report and score, and to take advantage of the personalized recommendations for improving your credit. You should also take steps to protect your identity, such as using strong passwords and being cautious when sharing personal information online. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided by CreditSaint, you can take control of your credit and improve your financial health. Remember to always carefully review the terms and conditions of your membership plan, and to contact CreditSaint customer support if you have any questions or concerns.